Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today we're diving into the features and specifications of the BANGSON compact portable washing machine and the portable washing machine. We'll explore their capacities, functionalities, and which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The BANGSON compact portable washing machine boasts a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 Ls, making it suitable for smaller loads. If you often wash larger items or need to do laundry for a small family, the BANGSON may be the better choice. However, for those who only need to wash delicate items or small batches, the portable washing machine is more than adequate. One of the standout features of the BANGSON is its powerful spin cycle, which operates at 1,700 revolutions per minute, significantly reducing drying time. Unfortunately, the portable washing machine lacks a spin cycle altogether, which means users will have to manually wring out clothes after washing. This difference can greatly affect convenience, especially for those who need their clothes dried quickly. When it comes to portability, the portable washing machine is a clear winner. Weighing only 6.3 pounds and featuring a folding design, it is incredibly easy to store and transport. On the other hand, the BANGSON weighs 28 pounds and has a larger footprint, making it less ideal for those who prioritize portability. If you plan to move your washing machine frequently or have limited storage space, the portable washing machine is the better option. In conclusion, the choice between the BANGSON compact portable washing machine and the portable washing machine ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a larger capacity and a powerful spin cycle, the BANGSON is a great option. However, if portability and ease of storage are your top priorities, the portable washing machine may be the better fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.